Investing through Wealthsimple involves these steps. Create an account. Go to Wealthsimple's website or download the app. Sign up and create an account by providing personal information, including your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial details. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open. Wealthsimple offers options like a personal investment account, retirement accounts, and more. Set up your profile. Define your investment preferences, including risk tolerance and investment goals. This helps Wealthsimple create a personalized investment portfolio for you. Fund your account. Transfer funds from your bank account to your Wealthsimple investment account. You can do this by linking your bank account to your Wealthsimple account and initiating a transfer. Select Investment Portfolio. Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment portfolios with different risk levels. Choose a portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Monitor and manage. Regularly check your account's performance and adjust your investment strategy if needed. Wealthsimple offers automated investing, so it will handle the ongoing management of your portfolio. Additional services. Wealthsimple offers services like automatic deposits, tax loss harvesting, and financial planning tools.